Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Jen J. So happy that you're here. Today I woke up with a message in my heart. The Holy Spirit came down and said, Jen, tell the people what they need to hear. So here we are. Before I get into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Also follow me on Instagram because I don't know what that is, but it means go follow me on Instagram. So I know a lot of you guys want to take better care of your hair in 2021. You know, we're still home, we're still in quarantine. They actually just announced a lockdown that's going to start tomorrow where I am. So shit's crazy out there. And while you're home, it's probably one of the best times for you to actually spend time and take care of your hair and grow your hair. All of that good stuff. And I know a lot of you guys want to do that because you reach out to me and you're like, Jen, what do I do? And I want to set you guys up for success. Learning how to take care of your hair and learning how to style your hair, all of that can only take you so far until you change your mindset. Mindset is so important. Mindset keeps us from accomplishing so much in our life, including taking care of our natural hair. So today we're going to talk about some of the things that I feel like you really need to understand if you are just starting your hair journey. And even if you've been in it for a while, you know, you need to work on your mindset. Your perception of your hair, your expectations of your hair. We need to take care of that. So let me see if I can get some volume around here. There we go. There we go. First thing first, frizz is okay. Stop fighting it. It's part of your hair. If anything, frizz gives your style a little bit more volume, you know? We're obsessed with definition, and I kind of blame Instagram for that. But listen, it's okay for your hair to be frizzy. So for example, let's take my hairstyle today. Technically, I'm protective styling, and between you and I only did my hair for this video. Anywho, so last night when I was doing it, because I know I'm not going to keep this long, I slapped on some leave-in conditioner, slapped on a little bit of oil, twisted my hair, put her in some rollers, took them out, boom, here we are. And while I was taking my hair out, because I didn't use a styler, my hair didn't have any hold, so I was kind of just going through and separating my hair, and it was creating a lot of frizz. And that got me thinking, it's fine. It's part of your hair. I promise you, your style can still look cute even though you have a ton of frizz in there. It's fine. Life will go on. Frizz is okay. Start accepting frizz and your hair journey will go a lot smoother. When you're chasing this perfect hair, I just feel like it really stresses you out. Whereas you can just like pop, pop, pop. Get your hair done, do it. Trying to be perfect, trying to get the perfect little curl all over your head. That's just stressful. That's just stressful. Shrinkage is real. Ooh. Oh, if you are natural, especially if you have 4C hair, the battle against shrinkage, the earlier that you accept shrinkage, girl, let me tell you, you will be fighting shrinkage and shrinkage will beat your ass. Shrinkage don't play. You can't fight her unless you're going to use heat, and I would not recommend using heat, but if you're going to use heat, then you can beat shrinkage. Otherwise, you might as well accept her. Y'all are family, and she is one of those like close family members with no boundaries. That's shrinkage. You didn't even invite her, but she's coming over. If you want a hair journey to go a lot smoother, just accept shrinkage and move on. Find styles around shrinkage. Personally, I find that shrinkage gives me a lot more like volume. It makes my hair look a little bit thicker. So look at it a different way. Look at the positives and stop focusing on the fact that shrinkage is robbing you of all of your length. Speaking of shrinkage, let me show you a little something. You see that? You see this? Shrinkage is a beast. She's so disrespectful. Your hair won't be shiny, and that's okay. Okay? That's okay. You would not imagine how many questions I get on Instagram. How do I get my hair to look shiny? Well, let me tell you. Let me be the bearer of bad news. Our hair is not shiny, but we do have sheen. And yeah, just embrace the fact that your hair would not be shiny. If you do want a little extra help, of course you can use some oils, you can use some sprays, but your hair naturally is not shiny, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry. Ooh, this next one, I blame it on Instagram too. Your hair will not stay in pristine, perfect condition for like a week straight, okay? It's okay. It's fine. Your styles are not going to last till the end of times. I know you wanted to, but it's not. By the time I reach like day 3, my style looks nothing like how it started. Shrinkage takes over, plus I need to moisturize anyway, or my hair is dry, or I lose the curl definition. Whatever it is, my style by day 3 has evolved. I'm not saying you need to redo your hair or anything like that. I'm just saying embrace the new style that your original style evolved to. Make that work. It's fine if your style doesn't last a whole week. Just work with it. Alright, so this is for my new naturals. If you've never seen your hair texture and you've been watching a ton of Instagram videos and you have these expectations in your head as to what your hair is going to look like. You've slept on it, you imagine this, you've seen examples, you expect a certain curl pattern. It's okay if you do not have curls, okay? I'm here to let you know that all hair types deserve love, whether you have curly hair or kinky hair. Kinks are beautiful, curls are beautiful, accept the fact that your hair does not look like what you expected it to. Be okay with it. This is your hair and you're just gonna have to work with it. You're going to love her, you're going to take care of her, and she's going to flourish despite the curl pattern. So, it's okay if your hair is not curly. Kinks are okay and just as beautiful. We should just call this video, It's Okay. That's what we should call it. Number 6, we had a little list going, I didn't even realize. Number 6, not everyone is going to accept your hair, and that's okay. That was a big one, you know? It's a big one, especially with family members or people that are in our circle, you know, boyfriend, husband sometimes. Sometimes it's the people that are closest to us that really like hurt us with their little comments that we didn't even ask for. Not everyone's going to accept your hair, and that's okay. You need to wrap your mindset around that. Get away from that toxicity. If someone else doesn't like your hair, so what? That's their problem. It really isn't your problem. As long as you like your hair and you embrace your hair, don't let these party poopers come and like shake up your energy. Protect your energy. Your natural hair is so beautiful. You need to believe that. I just wish that you guys could see it. See the beauty in your hair. Born with this hair, you were created this way, and it's so beautiful. Until we change our mindset around the fact that natural hair is not good enough, or needs to be covered up, or needs to be braided up, or you need to change it, especially when you go into like special occasions. Unless we start changing our mindset, we'll always have issues with our hair. We'll always feel self-conscious around our natural hair. It's a mindset thing. You have to look in the mirror and say to yourself that my hair is beautiful, that I am everything that I should be. You have to build up that confidence so that you can tell other people, I don't care about your opinion of my hair, so that you can accept the fact that your hair is a certain way and that she is beautiful the way that she is. It's a mindset thing. You can take care of your hair yourself. Yes, we love getting our hair done. We love getting our hair braided, but there is so much that you can do yourself that I think helps you build that confidence as well. The fact that you can take care of your hair, there's a few styles that you know you can do successfully that you enjoy. The fact that you can do it, especially if you couldn't do it before, it boosts your confidence around natural hair. So play with your hair, experiment with her, figure her out. It's one of the greatest accomplishments when you start taking care of your hair and you see the results and she's growing and you're like, wow, I did that. I can take care of my hair. I can take care of my own. It's a great feeling. So I would urge anybody, you know, who's trying to take care of their hair in 2021 to take care of their hair in 2021. Do it yourself. Listen. This morning, I woke up and I wanted to get my nails done because there's a lockdown tomorrow. I frantically called the nail place trying to make an appointment. And guess what? They're closed. And my nails look like they're dreadful. They're dreadful. Like, I'm kind of stuck. I'm going to have to figure out a way to do my nails myself, especially if we're going to be locked down for another 30 days. Like, these nails are not going to last. So, same thing with your hair. What if you can't go and get your hair braided? It feels good when you can do it yourself. That's what I'm saying. Number 9, you won't get it right the first time, and that's okay. Yes, just keep going. Maybe it's the slow progress. Let's say you're trying a flat twist, okay? The first time around, it looks a mess. The second time, it's a lesser mess. The third time around, now it looks like flat twist. And then guess what? Then you know how to flat twist. Anything that you want to master, there is a learning curve, and that includes your hair as well. So you're not gonna get it right the first time, but keep going, keep experimenting, keep figuring it out, and you will get it. I promise you, you'll get it. We all started from, you know, not knowing what to do with our hair. So learn what to do with your hair. The last one is a big one. It's a big one. Ooh. You do not need 100,000 products to take care of your hair. Oh, I said what I said, and it's all coming from me. You know, I'm an influencer. I get a lot of products. I love using products, but at the same time, I know you don't need a bunch of products. If I had to think about it, I would say you need 5 products. You need an oil to pre-poo and seal your hair with, you know, multi-purpose. You need a shampoo. You need a deep conditioner. And you need, I would say, a leave-in conditioner. I think you can do with 5 products. The oil that you pre-pooed with, you can use after you use your leave-in conditioner to seal in the moisture. I would do a butter because I like butters. That's my thing. But I digress. Find what works for you, but you could do with maximum 6 products. It feels weird saying that's not a lot of products, but you know, this is 2021. We know we can do a lot of damage when it comes to buying products, okay? Customerism is real. But what I'm saying is you don't need a bunch of products to take care of your natural hair. You can really use the bare minimum. And if you buy a product, it could actually last you quite a long time if you're not heavy-handed like I am. Be mindful of all the products that you're using. If anything, I find that using too many products will just confuse you even more. Do a bit of research, obviously. Swap your products when they're done if you didn't like it, but you don't need a million products. You don't need to buy a bunch of products. Yeah. So this is the message that I had in my heart for you. It's to urge you to change your mindset, your mentality around natural hair. And it's one of those things that doesn't happen overnight, just like your hair. Hair care doesn't happen overnight. But the more you do it, the more you build that confidence to be able to say, I can take care of my natural hair. I love my natural hair. She's flourishing. She is part of me. Keep at it and you will find your dance. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up on your way out. All of the products that I use for my makeup will be linked down below. And yes, I promise it will be linked down below. I know I've been lying to y'all. I will have a little video on how I did my hair on Instagram. So make sure you follow me there if you want to see how I did this hair. Any questions, let me know. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.